Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
We have a warm one out there today, and the squeeze play between this area of high pressure and low pressure to our southeast. That's what's making for some pretty breezy winds out there, especially for the coast and over on the east side. Now we're going to be tracking this cold front off to the north and west. It's not going to bring us much. We may see a few showers along the coast later Wednesday. We'll look for winds to pick back up across much of the region on Wednesday, but other than that, not much of an impact. In the meantime, tonight, skies will be mainly clear down to 44 in Medford, 34 degrees in Klamath Falls, 40 in Yreka and Mount Shasta, and mild along the coast with winds staying fairly breezy. It'll also be pretty breezy up in some of our higher terrain. Tomorrow in the Rogue Valley, even warmer than today. Highs up around 70 by the noon hour, into the 80s in the afternoon, topping out around 84 in Grants Pass and Medford, 67 for you folks in Lakeview, 72 in Klamath Falls, upper 70s for Yreka and Mount Shasta. Still pretty warm tomorrow for Brookings, up to 71. Winds will be pretty brisk along the coast. Not as gusty as today, though. You can see those winds. A little bit of a breeze for inland areas later in the day. But look at Wednesday as this next storm system approaches. We'll get gusts out of the west and southwest between 20 to 25 miles per hour or so for most inland areas. The onshore breeze, though, for the coast and the lighter winds will allow for some cooler temperatures, even in Brookings. As we head through your day tomorrow on Tuesday, mostly sunny skies, a few thin high clouds out there. As we go through the day Wednesday, clouds will increase, especially west of the Cascades, and there will be the potential for a few showers towards Curry County, but amounts of precipitation not going to add up to much at all. And most inland areas, including the Rogue Valley, will stay dry. We may see a sprinkle Wednesday night. That's about it. Notice not much of a drop in temperatures. Highs around 80 Wednesday and Thursday. Pretty warm for the basin Wednesday and Thursday. Mid 70s. Winds will be blustery on Wednesday, still fairly breezy on Thursday. And then looking ahead to the weekend, temperatures get even warmer for Friday. Stays pretty warm on Saturday, but on Mother's Day, it does look much cooler, and winds will be pretty gusty throughout the weekend. We'll be tracking at least a slight chance for showers in the region on Sunday. A better bet for wet weather coming up on Monday of next week. Your 7-day forecast for the coast, slight chance of a shower on Wednesday, sunny skies on Thursday. Northern California, temperatures trending up as we go through the rest of this week. The Klamath Basin even looking at highs getting in the low 80s by Friday and Saturday. The mountains staying mainly dry in the days ahead. Temperatures pretty mild. Notice the cool down for Mother's Day into next Monday. The Rogue Valley, a warm stretch of weather, but cooling back on Mother's Day, highs back down in the 60s.